Hey, have you checked out the weather today? I was hoping to go for a bike ride later.
Hi. Yeah, I just took a look. The weather seems a bit unpredictable. Right now, it's cloudy with a few gusts of wind. The temperature is around 68 degrees Fahrenheit.
I really wanted to go biking. Do you think it's going to rain?
The forecast didn't mention rain specifically, but with the way the clouds are looking, there's a chance we might get a shower later. Maybe you could hold off for a bit and see how the sky develops before making a decision.
Good point. I don't want to get caught in the rain halfway through my ride. If it doesn't clear up, I might just hit the indoor gym instead.
That sounds like a solid backup plan. Oh, speaking of plans, have you thought about the hiking trip this weekend?
Right, I almost forgot about that. What's the outlook for the weekend?
Well, Saturday is looking quite promising. The forecast shows mostly sunny skies with temperatures reaching around 72 degrees Fahrenheit. It seems like a great day for hiking.
That's fantastic news. And what about Sunday? We were thinking of having a picnic.
Sunday might be a bit tricky. The forecast indicates a chance of scattered thunderstorms in the afternoon. It's a bummer, I know. Maybe you could consider rescheduling the picnic or having an indoor backup plan, just to be safe.
Ugh, I was really looking forward to that picnic. But safety first, I guess. We could move it to Saturday after the hike if the weather holds up.
That's a flexible approach. It's always a challenge to predict weather far in advance. But hey, at least you have a plan B ready.
Absolutely. I've learned the hard way that it's better to be prepared. Thanks for keeping me in the loop about the weekend weather. Fingers crossed things work out.
No problem. I've got my fingers crossed too. Just keep an eye on the forecast updates as the weekend gets closer. And if anything changes, I'll be sure to let you know.
Sounds like a plan. Here's to hoping for clear skies and successful plans.
Cheers to that. Enjoy your day and stay weather-wise.